Imagine you're on a road trip and your car suddenly sputters to a halt. You pop the hood, look perplexed, and wonder what went wrong. Let's prevent this scenario by mastering one essential skill: checking your car's oil level. First, ensure your car is parked on a flat surface and the engine is cool. Safety first. Open the hood and locate the dipstick, usually with a brightly colored handle. Pull it out, wipe it clean with a rag, and reinsert it fully. Pull it out again and observe the markings. The oil should be between the min and max marks. Too low? Add oil gradually, checking the level often to avoid overfilling. Maintaining proper oil levels is crucial for lubricating engine parts, reducing wear, and preventing overheating. Low oil can lead to severe engine damage, while overfilling can cause foaming and pressure issues. Regularly checking your oil ensures your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Once you've topped off the oil, replace the dipstick, close the hood, and you're done. This simple routine can save you from costly repairs and keep your car running like new. Drive confidently, knowing you're taking excellent care of your vehicle's heart, its engine.